Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to enable two-step verification on your Google account. So first, let's get your Google account. So search, Chrome, click on your profile icon, then your profile, manage accounts on this device. I'm gonna go with this account. Then go to security. Scroll down two-step verification, and here you can add your phone number to on two-step verification. Yeah, so you would have to add your phone number or do one of these. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.